Hello, today we're making crab sandwiches. Let's get started. For this recipe, we are using real crab from the ocean, canned corn, mayo, and cream cheese. Put the ingredients into a big mixing bowl and mix them together. Mayo. And cream cheese. The crab has a special kind of butter with seasoning and garlic. We could put it over the bread. Put the sauce over the bread and put it on and fry it on a skillet. There's a nice brown and tastes very spicy. Now let's put the crab onto the bread. Look at this beauty. It's time to try it. It's just like a crocodile. I can taste that it's very spicy. It has a very spicy aftertaste. The corn is very juicy. And the crab is like so meaty and fresh combined with all the ingredients. And the bread is very crunchy. It's like so smooth, and it's like kind of with, it feels like with sauces, and it's so good, and I love it. Thanks for